put back over your head. Yes, good. 1, 2, it gets colder.
After a long drive, we're here at Panther Creek Falls, or at least the beginning of the trail. Cool looking waterfall from what I've seen on the photos. Amir has taken a shower in 3 days, so we're gonna toss him in the water there. Fish are gonna float up. We are here at Haystack Rock, Cannon Beach, aka location of the Goonies, where the ship took off somewhere over there, and pretty much only the last scene and the only scene in the movie that was shot here. Sunset, very low potential, but I am holding hopes for it. After a little bit of searching around and driving to different parts of the area, I found the entrance to Spirit Falls. I actually went to try to stop by Eloah Falls this morning, but it was closed off. So I had to skip that one. Multnomah Falls is also closed off. So Spirit Falls is a little bit off the beaten path. Very promising. It was came highly recommended by some photographers I met the other day. So doing the little hike down to that area, gonna shoot some photos and hyperlapses and stuff. Alright, after the drive down from Portland, quick stop at Salem, check into Airbnb, hour 45-minute drive. We are now on the Oregon coast at a location called the Devil's Punch Bowl. For more information, let's contact our tour guide here.
It was a night like this that the Flying Dutchman
I'm here at Thor's Well. You can see it right there behind me. Might catch a little pop-off explosion while I'm recording this, but made the 45-minute trip down from Devil's Punch Bowl. Barely made it out of there. We had to sneak out the side, put the camera bag over my head, and go through like waist-deep water to get around because we couldn't climb up the same way we came. Got here a little bit late for sunset, and obviously there's no sunset color, so I've been focusing on getting some moody shots. There's a lot of fog. There's this mountain over here in this background really adding to that moody effect. So, you know, I was expecting to get some moody Pacific Northwest shots on this trip. So Thor's Well, I guess, is gonna be one of those. We're getting no beautiful sunset colors. All right, we're at Silver Falls in search of waterfalls, as the name suggests. Some long expo photos, some long expo time lapses.